No screaming or we hurt your friend.
I am Madame Andromeda. I read what the cards show me. But each of us has a gift that we can give by sharing visions for others. Now, read the cards for Eric.
I mean, Jen wants to take me everywhere and show me off to everybody. It's kind of sweet, but frankly, I'm exhausted. I feel like you're just some kid at a fair and I'm a prize that you won.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I decided to come.
I thought we decided you should just stay
It's
home.
alright. We're glad you came.
So,
This is Colleen calling from Always Calling Research. I have a short survey. I'm sorry. No, this is Colleen calling. No, I don't have two first names. Sir? This isn't working.
Yesterday in front of the store wasn't either.
We don't make our quota. I don't know how many fingers we'll have left. Mr. Miyatu doesn't give second chances.
I'm Becky Raymond. I used to be a free thinker, rebellious. And then God saved me. I saw the light. That's my mom. She has doubts. I told her fine. I had some too before I came to the church. Sorry about that. We thought that multi-million-dollar homes and corporate profits were more important than your food supply. Oh, I'm sorry. Is my military sonar bothering you? Yeah, I don't care. No, you can't take my baby. This baby's gonna make me money doing tricks for Twinkies in a theme park.